Today at Daniel Jewelry Inc., we're going to show you how to use our cleaning product. It has all the instructions in the back here as well. First thing you're going to do is open this up. This is the jewelry cleaner concentrate, and it has a strainer and a brush inside. So let's put the strainer back inside. Keep the brush handy. So this is gentle enough for opals, corals, onyx, turquoise, as well as pearls. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the pouch like so. You're going to put all the concentrate inside. Make sure everything comes out. All right, that's done. So now you're gonna put water in, and you're gonna leave about ½ an inch from the top. It doesn't have to be all the way to the top. You're gonna put it right, let's say right about there. So now you're gonna put in your rings, bracelet, chains, whatever needs cleaning. You're gonna put it right in there. We're gonna close that up. Wait 3 to 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
And exactly 5 minutes later, here we go. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna do the strainer to let it do its thing. And take out the bracelet. Take out the ring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush the diamonds on top and below to get all the gunk out of there. Make everything shine again. On the bracelets, chains, all the gunk accumulates in between the links. So you wanna clean all that out like so, as well as inside the box locks, in between these links right here. Gunk loves to hide in there. Like so. Alright. If your jewelry piece is extra gunky, extra disgusting, extra filthy, you're gonna have to do this about 2 or 3 more times. When you dry it off, you could rinse it out with warm water. Once it's all dried up, it is ready to go. You got squeaky clean jewelry again, ready to enjoy. This is Daniel Jewelry. You could get this at DanielJewelryInc.com.